make this DIY face shield. This plastic sheet, cut the edges off. Elastic band, 33 cm accurately. The band is like this. You attach and staple it here. Okay, make sure you get everything. Make sure you get the band and the plastic as well. That's how you do it. 5 staples here on the other side. Curl it inside, bend it inside. Another 5 staples. This is what happens. 5 staples on each end. Make sure you get the plastic and the band together on top of each other. Staple it together. Make sure it's 5 staples on each end. Alright? Now, your foam is 27 cm. 27 cm. No more, no less, because we have not enough materials. So, UHU Glue, adjust it to be like this, flat surface. It's on for surfaces. So spread it evenly across the foam. Spread it evenly. I've already done it so far. Flip the shield and attach the foam to the edge of the plastic. The great thing is the band will hold it in place. Let it dry and pack it in a safe, clean box. Okay, thank you guys.